we have seen that there are a lot of people who are educated financially but not necessarily literate. They don't participate in capital market as much as they should have. They don't get conviction to be an investor as they should. And I think it's far better to capture them early. Through Atlas Edge, we are able to bring financial literacy to people, especially in that period when they can be molded, when they could be educated. And our aim is that let's make Indians participate in India's growth story. So what we can do is to provide the nudge. What we can do is to create a network. If all the participants here come together on a network, I'm sure they will all benefit from each other's knowledge. Second, by giving them right perspective, hopefully we'll be able to build their conviction to be an investor and a participant in India growth story. Many a times I have seen that something creates lasting impression on you. For example, when I had lost a lot of money initially in the early 90s in stock market, I wandered around Dalal Street and heard wisdom from experienced people. All those wisdoms have stayed with me. Someone told me that in Dalal Street, we do Lakshmi Pujan only on Diwali day, but we do Saraswati Pujan every day. Knowledge is far more important and a key to earning money. Now, those nuggets stayed with me all throughout my career. I just hope and pray that in this program, people are able to get those nuggets which will anchor them for participation in the capital market. Well, as an investor, you have to think long term. You have to bet big when you are convinced. And finally, you invest on a portfolio basis. There will be some failures that should not deter you. There will be many successes that should not create ego in you. So be a long-term investor. Bet big when you're confident and be open. You are a student of the market. Don't have ego that I'm such a successful investor. So it's a combination of both sector and management. There will be many sectors like manufacturing which will create value for investors over a period of time. But within that, you have to bet upon right management. Management which is cost competitive. Management which is adopting to technological disruptions. They are more likely to benefit in the manufacturing sector, catering to both local and export market. If manufacturing does well, so will the financials which are servicing this manufacturing businesses. Again, financial services with right credit culture, right risk management should create value for investors. Well, my job is done easy by regulations. So I pay about 40% tax. 10% goes into Provident Fund under rules, 10% go to NPS by my choice, and 20% goes into skin in the game circular of SEBI, which allocates across my funds which we manage. Rest I give it to my wife, so I don't have to take any investment decision.